today we're going to talk about a very special Filipino word that helps us understand how we connect with everyone around us. Kapwa. Kapwa means shared identity or togetherness. It is a deep understanding that we are not just individuals but part of it.
Paano ba ito, tol?
Alin?
Ito?
Ay! Basahin mo lang yung instruction dito. At ganito, para maunawaan mo, okay?
Nakahirap kasi.
Kaya mo yan! Nandiyan ka ba din?
Nakahirap kasi. Paano ba ito?
Ganito kasi yan eh. Kanang ikaw na yun eh. Kanang maragyan na rin sa rin mo.
Ito?
Umana na. Kanang ragyan po nung studian dire. Para makabalo ka. Dalay lang yan. Kaya mo yan.
Ano ba ng tulong? Huwag na, nakahiya eh. Huwag kang mahiya.
Hey girl, huwag ka nang mahiya. Hindi ka naman nag-iisa eh. Kampi tayo dito.
Okay. Pasensya ka na kanina, bro. Nainit lang yung ulo ko.
Ay, okay lang yun. Pero dapat sinabi mo na wala sa mood mo. Hindi ba? Ganun ba?
Pasensya nga, bro.
Okay lang. Agad mo na.
Mas masayang magtulungan. Family feels lang, kaya mo yan. Kahit anong mangyari, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Thank you guys, hindi pala ako
Kapwa means seeing others as family, not as strangers. It is about caring deeply, understanding each other's true feelings, and helping without asking anything in return. When we live with Kapwa, we build a strong and kind community where everyone feels connected and supported. So that's what Kapwa is all about.